Sego, Waderorux Yankiats. My name is Francine Desjardins. I'm a Bear Clan woman with Mohawk and French ancestry. The name I introduced myself was in Mohawk, and it's Kaniankihage, and that means she is watching. That's the name that my father had given me when I was very young, newly born, and I walk with that name. My biggest medicine is sharing traditional drum songs, and I will share those with anyone on the medicine wheel that has an open heart, that comes to me with a will to listen and enjoy the songs and the teachings. And I always offer the teachings of the songs, because the songs are not things that we perform. They're teachings, and they have intentions. And this is what I share. I also have medicine wheel teachings and the 7 sacred teachings that I share with the students and the community at large. I'm a traditional dancer, pipe carrier. I hold a moon lodge every month, and yes, anyway, I hope to see you. Thank you very much.